everyone. Today I'll be taking about one of the most urgent challenges facing our planet, and there's climate change. So first of all, let's watch the video.
From pollution to overpopulation are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains odor.
So okay, that concludes our video for climate change. So let's continue this out. Climate change causes, effects, and solutions. So what is climate change? Anyone who can read? Ms. Paul, you can please read.
Climate change is the long-term alteration of the Earth's climate caused by human activities like burning fossil fuel, deforestation, and agriculture. This leads to an increase in greenhouse gases that trap heat, causing rising sea levels, severe weather, and species extinction. Action is necessary to mitigate and adapt to its impact for a sustainable future.
Okay, so climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperature, weather patterns, and natural systems caused mainly by human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and agriculture. These changes are not just about warmer weather, they affect our health, ecosystem, food supply, and agriculture. So through this report, I will explain what climate change is, what causes it, its effects, and the action we can take to address it. So causes. Can you please read, Ms. Bigusman?
Causes. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, which trap heat from the sun and cause the Earth's temperature to increase. Deforestation. Decreases carbon dioxide absorption as trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, it can result in soil erosion, which releases carbon stored in the soil. Farming practices like fertilizers use and livestock farming can release potent greenhouse gases like methane and
Okay, so the main causes of climate change include the burning of diesel power, fossil fuels, deforestation, carbon farming practices like fertilizer, transportation, industrial processes. So all of which emit greenhouse gases. For example, ang paggamit ng mga sasakyan, gumagamit ng gasolina, ay naglalabas ito ng carbon dioxide. So which is isang uri ng greenhouse gas na nakakulong na init ng atmosphere. So effects. Can you please read Mr. Lomento?
Effects. Climate change has led to severe effects on our planet, including rising global temperatures, melting glaciers, sea level rise, and increased frequency and intensity of natural disasters. It has a significant impact on human health and causes respiratory illnesses, heat stroke, and other health problems. It is essential to adopt sustainable practices and reduce carbon emissions to mitigate and adverse effects on climate change.
So the effects of climate change has harmful effects like global warming, melting glaciers, sea level rise, health problems, and natural disasters. So example is, ang pagtaas ng temperatura. Mas umiinit ang klima na nagdudulot ng heat wave o matinding init na maaaring makasama sa kalusugan. So last is the solution. So the urgency of climate change mitigation ideas due to its pressing nature. So in the solution, to fight climate change, we need to use renewable energy, waste less, improve transportation, and support eco-friendly policies. Example is, dapat tayo gumamit ng mga sinabi ko, renewable energy, magtayo ng puno, iwasan ng mga plastic, magbawas ng basura, gumamit ng pang-publiko transportasyon at sumurtahan ng mga patakaran para sa kalikasan. So, that concludes my report for today. Thank you.